Today we're looking at the Sebastian Professional Shaper Zero Gravity Lightweight Hairspray, a strong hold hairspray that actually feels weightless. If you want control without crunch and actually be able to brush or comb your hair after setting without ruining your efforts, this is the one. Now, this is the tiny version. Of course, you can get bigger ones. Right away, the biggest benefit is how light it feels in your hair. You get serious hold, like style locked-in hold, without the stiffness or heaviness you usually get from typical sprays. And trust me, I've compared a lot of sprays. No coated sticky texture with this. It really does blow other ones I've tried out of the park. But caveat, this is not the cheapest product. Well, you get what you pay for, I guess. Another key point is humidity resistance. And I do live in a humid climate. In real world conditions, heat, sweat, movement, this stuff keeps hair from going limp or frizzy. And the cleanup is easy too. This rinses out smoothly with shampoo. No crunchy buildup after a day of wear. So if you want strong, long-lasting hold that feels light and doesn't wear your hair down, this zero gravity hairspray delivers, and I recommend it.